Hey guys, do you know something? I really miss those days when my college had just started. With new beginnings, there's always a new opportunity to do things your own way, right? I did so too. I always thought of being the coolest version of myself in college. But guess what? On the first day itself, all my dreams came crashing down. Wanna know why? Because I had acne, bumps, cuts on my face, all thanks to experimenting with traditional razors. I was completely disheartened. Only and only until I found the ultimate solution for my shaving and trimming needs. Yes, that's right. I'm talking about the new Philips OneBlade, the perfect facial grooming product that does not cause any cuts or nicks. And that's a guarantee. The number one reason is because it has dual protection technology, which ensures smooth gliding of the blade on your skin without ever even touching it. Traditional shavers and trimmers work too close to the skin, which cause cuts and bumps. But with Philips OneBlade, I have the smoothest experience. Trust me when I say this, it is the safest grooming routine for beginners. Since I started using it, I've had no nicks or cuts. Which has led to less irritated facial skin and hence no acne. Also, there's another reason why I love Philips OneBlade, and that is it has dual-sided blade which help achieve a nice finishing touch for a stubble or even a beard. Both side blades smoothly cover the jawline, the cheek and the sides of the lips amazingly. The Philips unique OneBlade is super versatile and can be used as a trimmer and even a shaver as well. And I don't have to worry about any kind of beard grooming problems on my face. That's the secret. But that's not the end, my friend. There is much more to this product. It comes with a USB-A charging, so you can charge it and use it for up to 30 minutes of constant shaving without having to worry about anything. With this Philips OneBlade, there is no hassle of shaving cream. Just dab some water on your skin and start using it. You can also use it without water as well. Guys, Philips OneBlade has been a great support in helping me get over my skin concerns and gain back my confidence as well. I'm surely a big fan of this and can never go back to the traditional tools like a razor or even a trimmer. It's bold, sassy, perfect for us Gen Z folks. Thanks to Philips OneBlade, I now move fearlessly in life knowing my facial hair is always on point.